Greetings my friends, Entrade here, back to you with another video. And right now we're entering really excited times, and right now is the time when you need to really focus up and lock in. This is the turning point in your life. This can be the turning point in your life if you play your cards right, and this is exactly what I want to show you today. First of all, a lot of you have been DMing me asking me if the Entrade app is actually real, and yes it is. We are just releasing it right now. It is available for members of my team. This app is a game changer. If you ever wanted to have everything about trading in one place, this is exactly what it is. First of all, in this app you will be able to receive signals every single day. Every single day you can choose which signal you want to take, which asset you want to trade on. You have full control of that. It's available right on the main page. So all you need to do is simply go in and start making money. Second, we have tutorials in there. There are lessons in there that you pass, you go through them, and at the end of each lesson, you get a quiz. If you complete the quiz, you move on to the next lesson. This is so helpful for those who are learning trading and want to understand trading, because if you don't get enough points on the lesson that you have been studying, then you will have to do it again, complete the quiz again, and then you can move on. This is going to help you lock in the knowledge that you have just went through, so this is extremely helpful. And on top of that, you have 24/7 support, so whenever you have any questions, you need any help, you can send a message through the support system and you will get a response from a real human being, a real trader that will help you navigate whatever you're struggling with. And also on top of that, we have a trading robot built into it, so you will be able to select the strategy that you want to trade on, the time frame you want to analyze, and the asset you want the trading robot to analyze, all within one simple, easy to navigate app. So check it out, send me a message. Now it's really exciting time. This is so helpful for people who are trying to make money from the comfort of their own home, and we're trying to provide you with that, so check it out. But today I want to show you one of my favorite robots that I trade with. It's Trade algorithm. So already a pretty long intro, so let's not waste any time and jump straight into trading, and let's see if we can make some money. Alright guys, so here we have the robot on the right side, we have the pocket option on the left side. We have 5 different markets we can select from. Whatever you want, you can trade on it. I suggest you, as a beginner trader, stick to real market or OTC market. Don't delve into high volatility assets if you have no idea what you're doing. So today I want to trade on OTC market, so I selected. The robot is just simply gonna give me a list of assets. This robot is extremely easy to use, guys. Anybody can use this. And now we want to look for the asset with a high payout, and we already have Australian dollar, Swiss franc. The thing is, do we have it here? Unfortunately we don't, so we just look for the asset with a high payout. We want around 80% plus. Don't lowball yourself and go for lower than that. You want a good risk to reward ratio. Euro, Swiss franc 85%. We can do that. And you want a risk to reward ratio be pretty good. 85% is decent. You want, once again you want above 80%, not less than that. So let's go for Euro, Swiss franc. And here's the time frames that you can select for yourself for the robot to analyze. I'm gonna trade on 1 minute. However, once again, if you are a beginner trader, I would suggest you go higher time frames. 5, 10, 15 minutes should be good for you. More time for the price to develop, less changes, less volatility. This is gonna be really good for you to actually understand and learn how the price moves and behaves. On 1 minute, there's not really much you can learn as a beginner, so don't use 1 minute time frame if you are a beginner trader. Now I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna select 1 minute and I'm gonna press start analysis, and from this point on the robot takes the wheel and the robot will perform everything that I need to know. Everything that I need. Here's the analysis. Here is the trade, a signal that comes in. I have the trade direction downward. The price falls below the Ichimoku cloud with Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen crossing downward, and start reading into indicators that the robot is giving you the analysis based off of from. This is going to be so helpful for you in the long run. Not only you're going to start learning and understanding how different indicators behave and how to read their settings, how to manage their settings, you will also start understanding which indicators go together well, which indicators you shouldn't put together. And this is gonna clean up your chart in the future. It will help you understand how to enter based off the readings that you are seeing, and which indicators are actually really helpful and which are not. You're gonna fall in love with some indicators are not gonna be your cup of tea. That is completely fine. But here we are approaching the end of a trade, and the price does try to go up here. We get the first trade and we get the second trade, and this is already guys, $1,700 off of first trade. And now we just go back and we continue moving. So Great Britain pound, Australian dollar 81. I think you can do better than that. Canadian Swiss franc also 81. Australian New Zealand dollar. We have a lot of low assets here. This is good. 92% sideways market, not the best. Try to stay away from sideways market. Try trading in a trending market where you see the direction of a trend. And let's go ahead, 1 minute. Press start analysis, and we're gonna probably get a sell position. I would like a sell position on this trade here, and we do get a sell position. Perfect. So I can go a little bit bigger here because I am actually convinced that the price will be driven down here from this level right here that we see, and we're right at the level right now. It might break out, but I don't think there is enough strength for the breach right now. I think the price is gonna move between these two levels, and we are just perfectly entering it right on the cusp right here and securing our trade. And let's read into it. RSI approaches the oversold zone while parabolic star remains above the price, confirming a bearish continuation. And we can add RSI to our chart and look at what's going on. So it is doesn't approach really oversold zone. However, it's dipping down. It's right dead in the middle right now and dipping downwards towards the oversold zone. So the analysis might sometimes be lagging behind. However, it is precise and it will give you the winning signal most of the time. And just like that, we make another solid amount. This is another $2.7 thousand made just like that. Without any hassle, we just went in right at the level. The robot spotted this level perfectly and gave us a winning signal. Just super simple. And let's do another trade. This is our third trade, and I really want to go on real market to show you that this is actually a real deal. And let's select the asset, Euro Canadian. Do we have it? Yes, we do. So let's go straight in, select 1 minute, press start analysis. Now OTC market could be manipulated, right? So I know people don't trust it a lot because but real market is real market. Real market is controlled by nobody except for the whales, for the people, for the companies who can do that. However, I have no access to that. So I'm gonna place $1,000 on a buy position trade, and I'm gonna place another 1,000 here because once again, if we look at the chart, we can see that there is a level here and the price is being stopped out around this level every single time and rejects in the upwards direction, and it's gonna go all the way up to this upper zone right here. And I'm not worried about this candle as the rejection is gonna kick it up every single time. EMA 10 crosses EMA 50 from below, confirming a bullish reversal, and stochastic heads higher. And this is the analysis that you learn how to trade from. You understand that when EMA 10 crosses EMA 50 from below, this is a bullish signal, and that is something that you need to pay attention to. And there it is. Our real market trade also go through. We make 870 on the first trade, and we are about to make another 870 on our second trade. We spent less than 10 minutes in the market. We made over $5,000 of profit just like that. And this is what these tools can do for you nowadays. This is what it's all about. It's about helping yourself make money, helping yourself understand trading and understand how to use tools like this to your advantage. You don't have to go into the market anymore by yourself and trying to figure out everything by yourself. And you can help yourself so much by simply becoming a member of my trading group. And like I said, we have a trading app now, so the process is even more simplified. You can just go in and have everything in one place in your phone. Super simple and extremely helpful for everybody. So if you want to do that, send me a message on Telegram at Entrade_pro. Join my trading group. A lot of free content there, a lot of free good content there, which is most important. trading sessions every single day from Monday to Sunday. You can trade alongside me, follow my signals. My team is also providing you with the signals. Join, start trading, start making money, and start educating and learning how to time your entries, how to be patient, how to manage your funds. Everything is so important. Even if you're starting with $20, $30, it is extremely important that you do not get carried away and start chasing that rush, starting trading with your emotions. That is what's gonna get you out. Even $30 can be turned into 1,000, into 2,000 if you play it smart and if you're patient. And this is exactly what we're gonna teach you how to do. So check it out, send me a message. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and let me know what you think about the trading robot. If you're already using the app, let me know how the app is going for you and how you're enjoying it and what we should improve on. I appreciate you. And of course, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.